Here it comes.
This isn't hot enough.
How about the frog?
That makes me hot.
Do the frog? Ooh. Still got some lights on. What do frogs say?
No, that's a cat. Cat says meow.
Say ribbit. Ribbit.
Can you say ribbit?
Ribbit.
Hi, 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 hi.
Hi. Whoa, crazy squirrel.
Hi. Hi. Claw. Claw. Claw.
He's stuck. Move him. Oh, he's stuck again. You gotta help him out. Gotta make a path for him. Here you are. Oh, he fell over. Maybe he needs some more gas. Let's wind him up again. Here he goes. Oh, the truck's stopping him. Maybe we should move the truck.
Some trucks carry horses, you know.
Hi.
Hi.
Bye-bye.
Hi, horsey.
Why?
More. Which one? This one?
Bye-bye.
I like that one. How about the froggy? Should we make the froggy go?
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey!
Hi.
You know, I got these was at a place we had breakfast. What will we eat?